Welcome back. This is another tutorial on Little Mind Strong Values, in other words, LMSV.lk. Like before, I told you, remember to access this particular site, what you can do is simply type in www.lmsv.lk on the address bar and it shall direct you to the homepage of Little Mind Strong Values. We're right on the homepage, and today we're going to let you know if you are interested in joining the competition and winning 1 million rupees worth of awards and certificates. We have all the instructions right here on the website for you to follow through and win those for your kids. So what we're going to do is today, we're going to go on this tab that says Championship right here and select on Season 3 Championship Instructions. As you click on it, you will be redirected to a document which is this Little Mind Strong Values Rotary Hundapuradu Champion Season 3 Instructions. So we have it in all three languages, Sinhala, Tamil and English. It will appear in English first, but if you are interested in reading the instructions in either Sinhala or Tamil, all you have to do is click on these links over here. As we scroll down, we have the introduction. Make sure you thoroughly read through the introduction so you have an idea as to what this competition is about. And as we go further down, we have the Season 3 highlights. So more than Season 1 and Season 2, we have made a little bit of changes and amendments. So these are the highlights of Season 3. As you can see, we have increased the prize money to rupees 1 million for Season 3 competition. And there are the age categories, as in whether it's preschoolers, primary schoolers, and secondary schoolers, and what age categories entitle which ages for each and every child, for what they're eligible. And there are performance categories. So speaking of the performance categories, there's solo, that is one child performance, and there's group, which includes 5 to 15 children in total. And there are the categories that you can perform in, which is either song, it could be in the form of a speech, a drama, or a dance. So these are the Season 3 highlights if you read through. And the part of accessing the song. So like we said in the previous tutorial, we can go through the website and directly access the songs there. But you can also access the songs if you click on this link over here. As you scroll down, we have how to download a song. You can do that by clicking this link over here. Recording a performance. So this is the most important part of the instructions when entering the competition. So these are the general rules and tips. As we spoke before, there are 3 age categories: preschoolers from age 3 to 6, primary schoolers from age 6 to 11, and secondary schoolers from age 11 to 20. And then there's in each category, there are 2 performance categories, that is solo and group. And there are 4 participation categories. Like I said, you can either perform a song, a speech, drama, or a dance. So apart from the 2 performance categories and the 4 participation categories, basically there are 6 other categories that children can participate in the competition and win prizes. So they are preschool solo, preschool group, primary school solo, primary school group, secondary school solo, secondary school group. So in all 6 categories, they can enter the competition by either song, speech, drama, or dance. You can always read all these instructions, as you should. And then comes the judging criteria for the song. So as you know, there are certain criterion for every performance that you're going to do. So under songs, the main criterion would be that the song that you're singing is an LMSV song with the backing track, and it should be in tune and on key, which is a very important part. And as for a speech, it should be relevant once again to the values that are messages that are being delivered by the LMSV videos. And there are other parts like the use of real-life examples when possible, using hand gestures and facial expressions as necessary. These are all very important key criterion when judging a speech. Moving on to the judging criteria for drama. Likewise, writing your own drama to highlight the values in LMSB song is very important. Using the facial expressions, ability to convince the audience the importance of the values in the act are some of the key criterion to judge the drama. Judging criteria for dance would be creating your own dance act to highlight the values of an LMSV song. So if you're dancing to the LMSV song, it should be able to highlight through the expressions and through your own ideas how to highlight the message that we are trying to deliver through the song and the dance. So those are the basic judging criteria for the performances. Apart from that, you can submit the video for the competition using your Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, Gmail account, what you can do is access that through this link right over here. It's very simple and easy. It's free of charge. You can create your own Gmail account and access the competition form, and then you can fill it out and submit the video for the competition. So that's about the competition form and submitting the video for the competition. Moving on, we have the awards for the winners. So speaking of the awards, we have the solo category, that is preschoolers, primary and secondary schoolers. We have the group category, and we have a special category, which is the bonus category. So in the bonus category, we have a couple of other awards that you can walk away with, like the LMSV Advocate Award. This is an award you can win for the person who submits the most number of videos through the end of October 2023, and they will win the LMSV Advocate Award, which is worth of rupees 25,000 along with a certificate. And then we have another award, special award for most participating LMSV school. So the school that submits the highest number of videos through the end of October 2023 will receive the most participating LMSV school award. So that is also worth 25,000 rupees and a certificate. This, likewise, I said, these are very special awards. So not just if you win, your performance gets selected, but there are bonus things that you can walk away with by participating in this competition. Also, we have the most active LMSV zone, the active LMSV school, and other awards as well in these categories. So these are the awards that you will be walking away with. And apart from that, you can share the LMSV with others as well. So the link is right over here. This is a very brief overview on all the instructions if you are to upload or record your performance and enter into the competition. And now if you have already recorded your video and ready with it, all you have to do is successfully upload it into the form. So today now we're going to talk about that, how to upload your video successfully into the competition. Like before, we are going to use the same tab, that is the championship tab over here. And we're going to click on Season 3 Video Upload. As you click on it, you will be redirected to this Google form, Rotary Honda Champion Season 3 Google form. It's very simple and easy, and I will walk you through it. All you have to do is fill in this form and submit your video, and you will be good to go. So let's start. At the very top of the form, we have your name. So if you can put in your name over here, your mobile number, your email address, and an important part here is we would love to know how you got to know about LMSV. So it is either through a social media platform or the zonal education office or a Rotary club or through the newspapers or the TV, whatever the medium it was that you got to know LMSV through, please let us know. We would love to know. Next up, we have discovery details. So if you discovered through a Rotary or Interact club, enter the club name here. So, or else let us know if there is any other way that you found out, put that over here as well. So this is where you put the Rotary or Interact club name you found out through. Moving on, we have the educational zone. So why it's important is we would know where you're coming from or where you're entering the competition from. So it is either from Central or any other area. So it is sorted out by province. So you can select the province and the zone, and you can put it right over here. Next up, we have the institution type. Yeah, if you're entering into the competition through a government school or an international school, a private school, a preschool, or any other medium, we would love to know what the institution that you're entering the competition with. So this is the institution type, and then we have the institution name. So we would love to know the name of the institution, the school or the university or whatever it is. And then we have the institution ID. Speaking of the institution ID, it's very important because it could be in the form of a 5-digit census number, which is usually through a government school. Or if not, you can create your own ID. Because if we have the ID, it is easy for us to track you all. Because if you enter 10 or more videos throughout this period, and we have no way of knowing if you do not have an ID. So if you have the ID, it is easy for us to track. So also, like I said about the bonus awards, the more videos you upload, if you have uploaded 10 or more, we can track all 10 or 100 of those videos, and it would be much more convenient for us if you have the institution ID. So that's the importance of that. And then we have the performer's name. If it's a single performer or a group, we would like to know the name of the performer, the single child, or the number of children, or if you have a title for your group, we would like to know that over here. And then the address, the performance type, whether it's in the form of a song, speech, drama, or a dance. Then the performance category over here, whether it's a solo, one-child performance, or a group, which is from either 5 to 15 children. Then we have the age category, which is either primary schoolers, secondary schoolers, or preschoolers. Also, we have the song that you have selected over here. We have all the songs here, Puhul Hura, Ikamabaka Gitaru, Paninita Pera. So we have all the LMSV songs uploaded here, so you can select what is the song that you're performing to. And here you can put, if it is a group, how many children are performing in this particular video. And the language of the performance, whether it's in English, Sinhala, or Tamil. And then it is a very important part over here. Please include me in the competition. So this is you giving consent for us to enter you into the competition. So make sure you click on this checkbox over here and give your consent to include you in the competition. And speaking of consent, here we have I understand my video may be displayed on LMSV YouTube, LMSV Facebook, LMSV website, newsletter, or any other media for promotion. So this is you giving your consent for us to promote your videos, because it is necessary throughout the competition that we promote your performance. So for that, we would like to have your consent. Please give us that through clicking this checkbox over here. And finally, we come to the end of the form where you have to add your file. So simply click on this and you will be directed to your driver, and then either through browse or wherever you have saved the video. I'm going to click on browse. So if you have any video that is under whatever the category, saved under whatever the category in your computer, you can select that, open it, add it here, and simply upload your video onto this form and click submit, and you shall be good to go. So that is how you complete this form. Read it thoroughly, read the instructions, and put in the information right. And it is a very simple thing to do. And now if you want to check all the performances from season 2 of the previous performances from the children, you can simply go on the championship tab again and click season 2 performance highlights. And that shall direct you to the YouTube page of Little Mind Strong Values. To your right, you can see the season 2 highlights playlist, and some of the performances from the ESTs are here. That is including Puhul Hura, a dance performance, Gaskolang, another dance, and we have a speech saying Vadi Hitianta Salakamu, Kunu Kunu drama, Saturingimu, another song, and this particular song, Ikamavakagidaro, 92 students are performing here altogether. And there are many more other videos. You can take a look and get an idea as to how you can record your video or enhance it, or just to get a general idea as to how in the previous years, the competitions, the students or the children have uploaded their videos. Like I said before, you can play it here, pause it here, you can maximize your screen and view it. And also you can simply share it by clicking the share button here and copy this link to your clipboard or share it on WhatsApp or any other social media. And that's how you watch the previous year's performances.